We are out going to look for rocks. I'm so excited. Hey, look, rocks. Even better rocks. One thing that is crazy that I'm just noticing is the erosion that has happened this season of winter, I suppose. Because look at this. All of that, this all used to be filled in and it would just come out to this. That's crazy. I mean, cool at the power of water, but wow. I see so many awesome things already, but we're going to start down there and work our way upstream. Also, look how pretty. It is me. I think I've got myself in a predicament. I didn't estimate this being so squishy. Come on, Remy. Oh, geez. Okay, well, so much for trying not to have a problem. I should have just walked in the water. What is this? It's a square piece. I gotta put my hair up because every time I rinse a rock off, it's getting wet. Ooh. Hey, look at this one. It's got a fossil in there. Wow. And a trick is if you're on dry rocks with wet around it, wet water around it, you just kind of splash some water up on the rocks and you can see stuff a little more. Ooh. Like this guy. Hey, look at this one. Oh, wow. Wait, that's like absolutely perfect. Hold on. Stop. He's a fat one, too. Well, he's not 100% perfect, but oh my gosh. He's heavy, too. I feel like there's something in there. Yeah, bust him open. Just kidding. That's cool. Honestly, it's kind of crazy to see how this creek has changed because it is way wider right now. Like the earth around it on the banks have definitely seen some erosion because the road is a ton closer on the other side. And I mean, it's just like astronomical wider and everything is deeper too. I understand like, in the winter it's higher, I think is what it is. And like the summer pool is kind of lower, but it's very interesting to see. Pretty impressive. Also, got my rock vest on today. Looking super fancy. It really is just a fishing vest, but it's for rocks. It's a good tip. Yeah, we're out here, we're vibing. We're having a great time looking at rocks. Remy is enjoying herself. She's even getting in the water, and the water's still pretty chilly. But yeah, we're just doing the thing, okay? And I love you all. So look at this guy. He's got all kinds. Y'all, here's another one. This got only half. Or rather, this side's smoothed down. Isn't that cool? Remy, what you think? What do you think? Are your tootsies cold from being in the water? No, she said, hurry up and get over here. She's running through this creek, bro. Well, I'm doing pretty good myself. I didn't fall or nothing. Look, we found another one. They're everywhere. Slow down, Remy. Oh, this one's not gonna be stable. Remy, why are you like pulling me so hard? Ah, a tree. Hey, look, a circle. Now we're on to bigger plated rocks. Remy, you caught us on a tree. Look. Ooh, balance. Uh-oh, that rock saved us. Move, rock. We're trying to balance. Remy, you're not really helping the whole balance situation because you keep pulling me. Oh, we got it. Okay, that was fun. What you doing up there, Remy? Look at this green yellow guys. Green. Wait, is this all walkable right here? In little boots? It makes me so happy. Because we can get down to those big rocks. A little ASMR. Oh, that went in my boot. Okay. I mean, even the plate I'm sitting on has all kinds of little fossil vibes. How perfect is this little shelf? Well, I had to come back with my big boots. I technically have them in the car, but we already took off. Is there a spider on me? I just walked through the biggest web. Whew. Oh, I almost slipped. Hold on. Look at the water doing that. So that's the rock, but then all of this little bit is the water. Oh, it's so cool. Hello, Remy. I think both Remy and I have just admitted that we're gonna leave here wet, because now I have wet feet because it was a lot deeper there than I thought. But then also Remy just like fell in the deep end. She got out quickly, but like she was not happy, you could tell. So it's fine. We're gonna keep moving to stay warm. She's okay. It's really not that cold here. It's just, you know, the morning dew kind of vibe. Promise you it's not that bad. She's okay. But goodness, y'all, I'm a dummy. I straight up turned around and I was like, oh my gosh, look at that cool marking on that rock. Y'all, that right there, that's my shoe print. I was like, that's the coolest thing on this rock I've ever seen. Like, how cool is that? Okay, well, I mean, at least it is kind of cool, but it's not like anything permanent. Wait, this guy is cool. Look at all that. Shake some of the water off. Look, he might have to come home with me. And you're coming home with me. Mammy, you're so cute. You ready to go home? Remy, are you ready to go home? Look at me. Look. Look up here. Look at those pretty brown eyes. Those pretty brown eyes. Y'all, I did it to myself again. That is a boot print from me earlier. Oh, the pop was a chat.